Seven Sharif, Pakistan, Sindh, Seven Sharif, this city. So right now I want to see this area because so quiet, that one. Otherwise this area is nothing, but there city is there, that side. So we will see this, that one. Yes, viewers, he stay here, he is my friend in Seven Sharif city. So right now we are rounding this area. You see, very nice village. Very nice. This very down. Yes. This you see, this city 700 years old. Seven Sharif, right? Yes, viewers, he say me 700 years old. This city, Seven Sharif. And that one is the water. You see the river. I think I don't know which kind of what is the name? Sorry, I don't know. But what is the name, my friend? This Manchar Jeel. I don't know Manchar Jeel. What is this? But the Sindhi and Pakistani name is Manchar Jeel. From Urdu language and Sindhi language, domestic. So you will see very down this area. And right now we are stand here at the top of the mountain, very down. You see people very small, that means very down. Very nice view and beautiful village, small village, poor country, poor village, but it's nice view. We will see and parts of this area. Oh, it's very nice. Everybody can walk from here, then like that. But it's very down. Be careful if you walk here. Yes, that's the village. Local people here now cleaning, and otherwise small village. This area, but that area is a big city because Seven Sharif. Viewers, this village is 700 years old. Right now I am standing here in the top of the mountain, but that downside is very. And that one, what is the name? No, this water. Manchar Jeel. Somebody say me this one, the water, you see the water, that one is the Manchar Jeel. And very down, about I think is around 10 floors. 10 floors, if you go into some building, is a 10 floors top up. This one like 10 floors is down. So right now we will see this area. Yes, viewers, you see the village is very down. So I am stand here right now, and the village is very down. This is the village, is the down. All village is down. So right now I am here. I have to go another side. This city, actually city is there, but I come visit here because this area name is what you say this, my friend? Seven
Ulti Basti.
Yeah, that Urdu name Ulti Basti. But I don't know actually English what is the name, but today I just come here visit. And otherwise 7 years old this village. 7 years. 700 years is old this city. This village is 700 years old. So you will see still very nice. Yes, right now this the local people playing here, the children all here, and they play the cricket. Yes, that one is damaged city, parts of damaged city, and damaged village, damaged village in Seven city in Pakistan. So viewers, this one, the damaged village in Seven Sharif, Pakistan. Damaged village 7 years ago. This village is all people stay here, but right now is damaged. Otherwise is making the new again, new 7 killa. Nice village. Seven Sharif city is sunset area. You see the sunset right now. There is sunset. Yes, viewers, that one, the Mazar of Seven Sharif. We can see right now. That one, the Mazar of Seven Sharif in Sindh, Pakistan. Everybody come. This city, viewers, international city. All country, all the world people come to here visit because Seven Sharif. Hazrat Lal Shahbaz, Seven Sharif. And right, we will see another set also because we have to go same like inside the city. We can see the city view and some markets, some shops like that. So let me see right now there. Yes. So you see this one. This is all house damage under the land. This village before many people stay here. But right now all people die and house go under up land. That one you see. That one, this is the house before. Yeah, this one. This is the house before under up land. So now he making the new decoration, making the repair like that. So viewers, right now I talking a little bit in Urdu also because some people understand Urdu only, right? भाईजान ये जो दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, ये जो ईंटें दिख रहा है ना, ये ज़मीन के अंदर दफन हो चुके हैं। यहाँ पर एक ज़माने में एक विलेज था, मतलब गांव था। ये सब उल्टी बस्ती इसको बोलते हैं सेवन शरीफ में। ये सब घर इसके अंदर दफन हो चुके हैं, सारे लोग मर चुके हैं। अभी इसको बना रहे हैं, ये किला वगैरह जो है ना डेकोरेशन कर रहे हैं। इधर का जो वज़ीर आला है ना, उसने यहाँ का अप्रूव कर दिया है, मतलब अप्रूव हो गया, इसके बारे में मंजूरी दे दिया। तो इसको डेकोरेशन करने के लिए बना रहे हैं। तो ये वही इलाके जो कहते हैं उल्टी बस्ती ना, जो जहाँ पर गांव था, यहाँ पर जो है ना ये गांव पूरा ज़मीन के अंदर दफन हो चुका है। सब सारे लोग मर चुके हैं उस ज़माने में। फिलहाल अभी ये जो ईंटें दिख रहा है ये वही है। ये देखो ये घरें हैं ना, इसके अंदर कुछ है। Yes, you see that one. This is the village before. Long story. All house go underground, under land. Right now, you see this is all house before. And here also. Actually, this name from Urdu language is Ulti Basti in Seven Sharif. But I don't know the English what is the name. This area, all village, all people stay here. The long story. But this is, you see, this is the design. This is the land. This is the house. This is house go under in the land, underground. All people died this village. So now, right now, that one, this is area all like that. This area all before in the village. So many people die, go to in the land, house, everything is go under the land, underground in the land. Okay, so now he making the new design, Killa. I don't know what is the port, new port, sorry. So actually somebody say like that, you see some here also, this is all house underground in the land, all people died. So right now we are going same city, inside city. Seवन Sharif, Sindh, Pakistan. It was very dangerous area if you walk from here. If you go down, so that means you are die 100%. Yes, viewers, we will right now still here. We are walking from here. You see this village, that is a killa. 700 years old. Some people stay here before, I think is village. But right now this village like that. Actually I don't know more English sorry about this city, sorry this village before stand like that, and now going to inside the land. So all people died here, right? Many people died. This village going to down in the land. So this part of the Seवन Sharif city. Yes, we will see very down this area. Oh, it is very dangerous if I go this inside. It is danger, my friend.
Yes.
Yeah, actually he said me very danger if you go down this, very down.
There are not.
There is nobody stand here. Very danger if you go down. So we will see this one. Yes. You see, very danger. If somebody go from here down, die 100%. Still making, na? Still repairing, right?
Yes.
Yeah, still repairing. This not finished. If somebody come visit in Pakistan, otherwise come to Seवन Sharif. Much better come to here. This because this is a very old story. And 700 years old this village. But right now all people die here. East side me. Otherwise this village still have, and this city all Seवन Sharif, and that one the Hazrat Lal Shahbaz Mazar. I don't know actually what is the name of Mazar for English, but Urdu name is Mazar. Yes, viewers, we right now see this very down this area or no? Actually I have to stand here. Oh, like that. Oh my God, it's very dangerous. Very down. What is the say, my friend? Mazar English?
Shrine.
Shrine. He say me the shrine. Seवन Sharif shrine. Okay. Actually, I don't know English. It's okay, no problem.
It says 7 4.
Yeah, that one, right? Shrine, huh? That one is the shrine, Seवन Sharif. And that one, the making the new killa. Killa achieve,
Fort.
Port? Port. This one new port.
7 4.
Yeah, Seven port. Yeah.
This is 7 4.
This is this area, Sindh, Pakistan, Seवन Sharif. That city is the Seवन Sharif. So right now we are checking all area and we will show you this video after that. Yes, right now we are here in the Seवन Sharif city. So we will see this area. So local people stand here and selling selling some things, and this is all marketing area. Yes, we were Sindh culture, and he is working here. How to manage this one, my friend? Yes, very nice. And here some selling the sweet meat is very nice. Very nice. Seवन Sharif city, sweet meat selling here. And that one is the old city area. ये होटल है ना? होटलें
गेस्ट हाउस
हाँ guest house like that in the city. Viewers, he say me like that in my domestic language. He say me this is the guest house, and that one is this is a small like market selling some things and selling sweet meat like that. Yes, that area is Seven Sharif. Shrine Seven Sharif. That one. Seven Sharif Shrine. And this village very nice and international city, Seven Sharif. All the work people to come here. Yes, viewers, Seven Sharif. Very. This is the city of Seven Sharif. Yes, viewers, this one fish from Seven Sharif. Fish, right? Fish from. How much, my friend? This one. Yes, he sent me 150 rupees Pakistani. 1 kilo, 1 pav, one each person each. Huh? One piece. Okay. He sent me 150 rupees Pakistani, one piece. Fish fry. Like that. In Seven Sharif. Yes, viewers, right now this is Seven Sharif city and dry food. People selling here is like 600 Pakistani 600 rupees per kilo. Kilo hai na? Per kilo, per kg 600 rupees, and that one is 400. You see the dry food. Seven Sharif, Sindh, Pakistan. And that one all marketing in the night time. People selling some. We will see the market some items. Yes. This is for kids and some ladies, some small baby buy something here. It's almost 24 hours this city busy. Seven Sharif. Seven Sharif in Pakistan. Viewers, this city is international. Always people coming from the world. Everybody. Everybody come to here, and that one the Seven Sharif. Yes, viewers, is very nice. Everybody selling here the sweet meat and raw food. जी ये देखो सेवन शरीफ का रास्ता है, ये वहाँ पर सेवन शरीफ का दरगाह है, और यहाँ पर जो है ना लोग अभी रात में भी सेल कर रहे हैं। और यहाँ देखें, viewers, I talking also some speak Urdu also, Urdu language. So people selling also this one here. Something you see that if you like it, come here and then we'll see. Very nice, beautiful city, international. Everybody come to here, all the world, from all the world. ये जो घरें दिख रहे हैं ना, ये जो ईंटें सॉरी, इसमें एक ज़माने में एक गांव था, इसको कहते हैं उल्टी बस्ती। तो यहाँ की सारे लोग जो है ना ज़मीन के नीचे दफन हो चुके हैं, मतलब घरों के साथ, यहाँ की लोग कहते हैं। तो मैं उस ज़माने में था नहीं, मगर अच्छा है कि मैं उस ज़माने में नहीं था, नहीं तो मैं भी इन लोग के साथ हो सकता है घर को जाता। Yes, a small market, vegetable market in Seवन Sharif city. Here is the Sindhi culture and Sindhi people Sindh. And he is selling the sweet meat. भाई इधर रश बहुत है, सेवन शरीफ का सिटी है ये वेजिटेबल मार्केट है। अगर आप लोग आओगे तो यहाँ वेजिटेबल मिल जाता है। Here is the vegetable market. If you visit here, if you want cook your accommodation, cooking separate, private cooking, so you can buy vegetable here and you can buy meat here, chicken here, then you can cook also by yourself. Yes, viewers, this is city of Seवन Sharif, Sindh, Pakistan. Everybody come here every day, visit here about this Kalanda Lal Shabas. And here so many restaurants, so many hotels. Hello viewers, this is the Seवन Sharif main gate. So everybody come here then want to go Seवन Sharif Bazaar. And here is the sweet meat selling. 250 gram is 250 Pakistani rupees. ये क्या है?
खोपरे की मिठाई।
This one for coconut sweet. How much kilo? कितना किलो है?
600 किलो।
600 rupees Pakistani, 1 kg, 1 kilo. And also he is selling here. This guy from Pakistan. Hi, how are you, my friend? Okay. Hello. Yes, viewers, right now I'm going to back my home. Tour of Seवन Sharif finished already. So this bus going to back to my home. Minutes only stop here. After that we are going to back to Karachi. My destination Karachi. Okay viewers, so right now this video already finished. Take care, bye bye.